Subscribe, like this video, add it to your watch list so you won't miss it. A profitable trading strategy for trading Apple or any other stock. Here in a minute, I'm going to show you how I made plus 20% in profit trading Apple stock, and also this strategy is being can be applied to any other stock in the stock market. This is Khalaf from Khalaf Stocks, a free educational YouTube channel. I'm putting this valuable information for free for you for limited time. So subscribe, like, so you can watch this video because it's going to be plus 10 minutes, and I don't want you to miss this information while it's being there for free. Before I start, let me show you this legal disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor or stockbroker. Everything shared here for educational content, for educational purposes. So, what is this strategy? What's it all about? All right, it's trading stocks based on trend lines. And I'm going to show everything in details for you guys for free. I'm gonna start with what the what the hell is trend line? Well, trend lines are easily recognizable lines that traders draw on charts to connect a series of prices together or show some data's best fit. The resulting line is then used to give the trader a good idea of the direction in which an investment's value might move. A trend line is a line drawn ever over pivot highs or under pivots lows to show the prevailing direction of price. Trend lines are a visual representation of support and resistance in any time frame. So you can use this not only on the daily time frame, you can use it on 1 hour, 5 minute, or even weekly or monthly time frame. They show the direction and speed of price and also describe patterns during periods of price contraction. This is very simple definition of trend line, and I'm going to show you what is trend line in a visual way, and I'm gonna apply it on stock, on Apple stock. This is the chart of Apple stock, the daily time frame, and here is from I showed a previous date back in 2023 to show you that this strategy is timeless. It can work anytime, any stock, anywhere, and it will never stop because technical analysis is based on our psychology as humans. So as long as we exist, the technical analysis will exist too. Now, here's the price moves, and each candle of these represents 1 day of a trade of price move for Apple stock, and there's resistance and support the price to move up, and resistance keep the prices from going higher. Here's support, here's support, here's support, and any pivot or any price that the price bounce off it is called support. Now here's the resistance. Now I'm gonna change. Here is a resistance. I'm gonna change it to the red color so you can see it here. This is also resistance. This is also resistance. This is also resistance. Here, any price that the stock price bounce off it or retrace from it, this is called resistance. And why I'm drawing these pivots here to show you what is support and what is resistance. And we're going to use these pivots here as a trend line draw points. Here is support, Here is support. Here is support. Here is support. So this is the trend line indicator tool, and I can draw a line from between each points of these support to make a straight line between these two pivots. So here's Apple price bounced off 144. I'm gonna start to draw the trend line here. I clicked on the mouse, so I started the line. I can move this line or pivot to any support here, and it's going to serve as a trend line. And here we're gonna draw a line between these two pivots here. Now this is trend line, and I draw it from pivot A, or I'm gonna call it pivot A, to pivot B. So this is the way of drawing trend line. And of course, if you just started to learn this, you will need more time to practice it and be good with it. What is the strategy? How can I make money? Just extend the support line, trend line, to move further into the up direction without going away from the pivot or the support that you rely your trend line on. So I can't draw a line like this. As long as I'm moving from this pivot and that pivot, I'm drawing the line correctly. As you can see here, I draw the line, and it's going to show me a couple of things. Here, as you can see here, it came close. This trend line serves as a support. It came here, it bounced off the trend line. It came here, it bounced off the trend line. It came here also, it dropped below the trend line, but it just bumped all the way up very fast. So as you can see here, the trend line served as a support, and it can't be traded based on this trend line. I'm gonna show you another one here. Here is a support, and here is another support. Check this out. The price bounced off the trend line. Again, we draw from this pivot to this pivot to that pivot, and here, if I place buy limit order in this trend line, which is 141, Apple touch it, then it goes up. Here, touched it, then it goes up. Here, and you can do the same thing on any other stock, not only Apple stock. So this is, hopefully I gave you something beneficial here, and it's very, very profitable trading strategy and easy to understand and easy to learn. Thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe, like, and add the video and watch it over and over and over until you master this strategy. Thank you, and bye-bye.